Guys, it's your boy Tay the Great, and I'm finally back with a different video, with another video at least. Last time I uploaded a video, y'all, was like, who knows? It was back in school. It was before I broke my phone. Ooh, it was hot. Yeah, it was before I broke my phone, unfortunately. And then I just changed my YouTube name, you guys. I went from Maniac to Tay the Great. Only because I didn't like Maniac. I don't know. I just didn't care for it too much. But yeah, I have to create a whole new intro, a whole new outro, whole new everything. Yeah, but if y'all can't already tell, well, I didn't say it yet, but my first video back is a mukbang. Is it mukbang? I'm gonna call it what I want, mukbang. And today I'm eating at Mandarin Express. Yeah, Mandarin Express. I didn't know I wanted to go. I was gonna get Chipotle, but the thing is, I'm so picky with what I eat, so my bowl is gonna look very boring and plain. So I just got some Chinese food. I got me some orange chicken, some Mongolian chicken, and some honey chicken and noodles. Now, I'm probably not gonna eat all this, but I only did all this food for this video. Yeah, so it was only $9. Why not? Shoot. I haven't eaten since this morning. That's the last time I ate was like 7 something this morning. That's crazy, right? And it's like 3 o'clock. Ooh, excuse me. It's like 3 or 4 o'clock. Oh yeah, got some water. I ain't never drank so much water in my life, y'all. Like ever. Like just plain water at that. I've never done that until this summer. Like I've been drinking nothing but water. I drink pop here and there, but other than that, I really haven't drunk pop unless I was at work. Oh, this that orange chicken is hard. I don't think I like that. But yeah, I don't know what to talk about, y'all. When I upload this, give me some topics to talk about. What y'all want to hear me talk about? Who y'all want to see me do a mukbang with? Because that's going to be funny. Depending on who it's with and stuff. Yeah. As y'all know, I was a freshman in school doing a college vlog before I stopped and just disappeared without letting anybody know. You know, it was not on purpose. It was actually an accident. Like I said, I had broke my phone. I was playing around too much and playing around way too much, and I basically destroyed my screen. I can't show you now because I don't have the phone, but it literally happened as soon as we came back from spring break, and I didn't have a phone and get until June, y'all. Your boy was struggling. I had no contact with the world. My mom had thought I died because I wasn't texting her back, but I didn't have a phone to text her on. I guess I could have asked a friend, but I have a big problem of not being able to ask for things that I need. Like it's a really big problem, my mom. I could need something right now, and I could know somebody who has the thing that I need, but I would never speak up and ask, could I borrow it? can I use it? Can I have it? I would never do it. It's something I'm trying to work on. Trying to work on, you know. But big problem of not being. Oh, I'm gonna throw that up. Or, cause I've done it for so long. It's just like it's like trying to break a bad habit, and bad habits are hard to break. So you know, I'm struggling. Right now I'm at the mall. I bought some stuff, a lot of stuff. But it was I needed it though. I bought some Vans. This is my first pair of Vans, you guys. My first pair of Vans. And the only reason I waited so long to get Vans was because I thought they were gonna make my feet look really long, like really long. Cause I wear a size 13, so I have to be conscious of what shoes I wear. I can't be walking around here looking like no damn boats on my feet, you know? I really don't know what to talk about. I really don't. I guess I can give y'all an update. I guess. Whatever's your definition of good, I guess that's what I am. Yeah. I just recently went back to work. Mind you, I've been home since like May 5th actually. I didn't go back to work until Memorial Day, right? Or Memorial Day or Labor Day. Whichever one is on May 27th, that's the one I went back to work. And that was alright, I guess. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, y'all. I don't know if I vlogged this when I got back to school in Jackson, but I'm terrified to get my hair braided ever again because the last lady I went to, she did me bogus. And if you know, and if you've seen the pictures, I don't have the pictures anymore because, like I said, it's on my old phone, and I don't have my old phone anymore. It's like the screen is messed up. So yeah, but she did me bogus, y'all. Like, I'm saying my hair was nothing like the picture I showed her. It was trash. Like, I was so mad. And then I had just wasted $75 too. And it was like the last $75 I had. Oh man. It was like the last $75. Thankfully I got paid while I was at school like one last time. But still, wasted $75. And then get a haircut. I guess if I got a haircut it probably helped. But no, I was so mad. And then I was posting a picture on Snapchat. Everybody was like, Kmart, you shouldn't have done that. You shouldn't have paid your money. It was like, you need to get your money back. It was like somebody done did your head inside the kitchen and house. I was like, oh my gosh. They was going in on me. Then I tried to go and get a refund. Y'all, I tried to get a refund. These folks said no. I was like, what? No. What the heck? What the heck? No? They told me no. I was so mad. Like, it made me so mad. Shit, man, it doesn't make no sense. And then the girl who braided my hair, she was there when I went there, and she was like, well, you should have told me you didn't like it before you left. I guess I should have done that, really, but it was like late, and I didn't want her to re-braid my head because my head looked a fool. I looked crazy. I never wore a hat and a do-rag for so long, ever. Like, I wore a hat and a do-rag for the longest time. Well, I had them braids in. If y'all hear anything, it's not me. I'm recording outside. Like I said, I'm at the mall. And H&M got this little, like, sitting area, I guess. So I was like, why not? It's not too hot out. I might as well record outside. And guess where I'm recording? Outside. I wasn't really hungry, but I got a lot of food. Well, they be giving me a lot of food anywhere I go. I guess because I'm big and tall, they just think I eat a lot. I'm the opposite way. I'm very opposite. Like, I'm very opposite. It's crazy. I can't eat that much. I could probably eat like 2 plates at that, maybe 1.5, depending on what it is and if it's good. But give me some pizza, I can eat a whole box of pizza by myself. No. I just be devouring bread. I mean, not bread. Lordness. I just devour pizza. It's kind of weird going out here because you got people looking at you weird and stuff. They're like, what the hell are you doing? But it shouldn't be weird because it's a lot of, well, not a lot. It's a couple, vloggers and stuff in Georgia. But then again, they don't just sit outside and create a mukbang, whatever it is. I don't think I'm about to order. I don't think I'm about to eat all this, y'all. It's a lot of food. I think my stomach was, my eyes were bigger than my stomach. Because my stomach said, just get something small. And I go and get 3 sides of meat. What? I know, crazy. I thought these noodles were gonna be dry. Because if you would have saw them noodles in the thing was dry. Like, dry. I don't know how long I'm gonna do these mukbang stuff. Probably for a while, because it's good. Yeah, probably for a while, because I can talk to myself like real easily. Like, I don't have full well, I can't say that because I have had a full, not like a full conversation, but like to have conversation. It's like you're talking to yourself, but it's like, I don't know how to explain it, y'all. I just be talking to myself sometimes. Why? I don't know. Do I care to stop? No. Why? Because I just like talking to myself. Not like that crazy psycho, this dude is crazy kind of talking to myself, but like if I was to have somebody else here with me on the other side of this table, like that kind of, I can carry a conversation between me and myself and I. Me, myself, and them. Oh, if you're watching this and you guys can do like good intros or outros and banners and stuff like that, hit me up, because I need someone to make me a intro, outro, and a banner. I've made my own intros and outros like for my other videos I've done, but it's like mediocre, and I don't want to be like mediocre. If I can't get it, then oh, y'all, excuse me. I went shopping today. Not a good thing. I low-key spent money I didn't need to. Wait, did I say that earlier? Shoot, I can't remember. But I told you I bought some Vans. I'm finna buy like 2 more pairs of Vans. Only because they're $60 and my feet don't look big and long. So I'm finna get another pair of those. And then I went inside H&M. Now, lately H&M been slacking. Like, H&M used to be the store. And a couple years ago. But now, well, lately, like every time I went to H&M, the stuff's been like trash. Like, none of the clothes are what I like, or not something I want to wear in the near future. I'm sorry. I don't know. It's not like something I want to wear in the near future. Lord, my speaking is just getting. I hope this guy don't. Okay. This dude was running up the stairs. I thought he was gonna fall. I guess that would have been funny. Oh, talking about people falling and stuff. So, I thought you were talking to me. Anyways, talking about that kind of stuff. I was at work, like, the other day. Well, it's like a couple days ago. And it was this group of kids. Like, they was, because we have this, like, what's that door called? The one that you push in and go in a circle? Whatever that door is called, that one. And the kids were playing in it. And my manager had saw it, and he told them to stop one time. And of course they did stop. But as they were leaving, they did it again. But this time, y'all, it's not funny, but the baby's foot got stuck under the door. Like, it literally got stuck. And they asked me, well, they didn't ask me, they asked my friend Sydney at work and this boy Terrell at work, and I just happened to be with them. And the little girl had ran up to Sydney, and she was like, oh my gosh, can you help? My little brother's foot, or little baby's foot, is stuck in the door. And at first we didn't know what they was talking about, so of course we walked over there. And the next thing I know, Sydney's like, oh my gosh, call a manager. Y'all, I haven't laughed so hard in a while like that before. Like, tears are coming out my eyes. Y'all probably think I'm demonic or something. Oh well. But yeah, like, it was funny to me. It wasn't funny that the baby's foot got stuck under the door. It was more so that that my friend Sydney, like, the way she had said it, it was hilarious. Because we was like, how are we supposed to help them get the foot stuck from unstuck? Y'all, this is hot. I'm gonna edit that out, maybe, but this is how I talk in real life. Like, my brain just be going and going and going, but my tongue, it just be on its own little pace, and that's why I started doing little stuttering stuff. Not stuttering, but you know, I be sounding a little slow. Yeah, so I should really work on that. But then again, no. Also, mukbangers and people who create mukbangs, they do this because you gotta talk with your mouth full. Ooh. Oh. What was that? Y'all just ate something spicy. I don't like that. And then it's sticking heart. Oh my god. But yeah, in the comments, right below this video, well, if you have your phone horizontally, comment who y'all want to see me do a mukbang with. Like, if I know them, of course. I have to know the person because, yeah, I just have to know the person. But where should we eat? What should we eat? Yeah, where and what should we eat? And then give me some topics to talk about, because I don't know what to talk about in this video. I really don't. I'm kind of full. Kind of. I took a picture of this before I kind of devoured it, so I'm gonna insert that, I guess, in the beginning of the video. I don't know, but I've been addicted. Like, seriously. Like the whole time. Like the whole time I got back from school and wasn't working, I was just watching mukbangs. I was doing come on. I was doing that well, I wasn't doing it. I was watching the challenge, letting the person in front of me decide what I eat for 24 hours. Now, the only problem with that, I want to do that video, but I don't drive. So, like, how I'm supposed to, well, I guess I can go inside the restaurant or a fast food place or whatever, wherever I'm at, and just be like, can I get what the person in front of me got? But that's weird, because then the person's going to see you and be like, do you know each other? And I'm like, no. Who's that? And why are they ordering the same thing I just got? Yeah, so that's gonna suck. But oh well, I'm gonna still do it. I want to try one just to see what other people eat. But I'm a very picky eater. Or I don't like a lot of stuff. Like a lot of food. Like, just off the top of my head, I don't like strawberries. I don't like mayonnaise. I don't like tomatoes. I don't like yogurt. I don't like non-melted cheese. Now, I know that sounds really weird, but like, you know, string cheese and like the black cheese, or if you had a party, a fancy party or whatever, and they give you the cheese and crackers, I'm not gonna eat that because I don't like it. I don't like how, like, my cheese has to be melted in order for me to eat it. Like, I'm very picky. And then I don't like guacamole. Did I say tomatoes? Yeah, I said tomatoes. Like, it's crazy. I'm too picky. Well, I ain't as picky as some people. Some people are picky. I don't know, y'all. At this point, I'm just talking to talk. Because I don't know what to talk about. Like, whatsoever. Oh, should I continue doing mukbangs? Not mukbangs. Mukbangs. When I get to school. But the only mukbangs, no. Mukbangs. Anyways. The only mukbangs I'm gonna get from me when I was at school is at the calf. I probably shouldn't do that. Not the calf. I ain't gonna do the calf. I'm gonna do the legacy. I'm gonna do the, maybe if we go out, if I go with someone to get food, I asked if they want to do a mukbang with me. Maybe. I gotta remember though. Yeah. How many likes should I ask for this on this video, y'all? I don't know. Damn, I've been recording for 30 minutes now. I haven't been talking about nothing. I keep getting these crazy looks, so I just want to end this eventually because people could keep looking at me crazy. And I don't like being looked at crazy. Yeah. But I'm gonna ask for 5 likes on this video. I'm pretty sure y'all can do 5 likes. And then leave the comment of what y'all want to see next, what y'all want to talk about. No, not what y'all want to talk about. What do y'all want me to talk about? My new next Mexican? What? My next Mexican. Yeah. Tell me what y'all want to see me talk about. My next mukbang. Anyways, yeah. Tell me what y'all wanna me to talk about my next mukbang. I guess my next mukbang I could do with my mom. I'm probably gonna do that because I don't know. Maybe I will. Shoot, we'll see. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video. I have to edit it first. I have to, like, I don't know, y'all. We'll figure it out whenever I get the video edited. Because right now, I'm at 31 minutes, and I gotta edit this down to, like, maybe, like, 20-something. We'll see. Dang, y'all. No, I'm still gonna do it. Okay. Alright. Yeah. But I think it's all for me this time, y'all. It's your boy Ty the Great. Peace.